I just found a free AI that generates videos for free in seconds. No subscription, no watermark, no credit, absolutely nothing to pay for. And guess what? This video you're watching right now, from the very first scene, was actually made using this exact same AI tool. Stay with me, because without wasting any more of your time, I'm about to show you exactly how this AI works, step by step.
So this is the AI tool we'll be using. Now, as you can see, this is the AI tool. You can create a lot of things from this AI tool, like stories or a lot of things from this AI tool. Now, the first thing we are going to do for us to be able to have access to Grok AI, we click on start creating. As you can see, start creating here, we click on it. Now, when you click on start creating, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, I want us to start creating images. You can put your script here. Just put your script and the AI will start generating the full video for you. But right now, I want us to create image. Now, when you click on this icon here, you are going to see it's on image. As you can see, image here, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Cadence 2.5, you can use Nano Banana, other things, you can use them here. So I want us to first create image, and after we create image, we are going to turn that image to video. Or if you have image on your phone already, all you just need to do, just click on this plus icon. Now, when you click on this plus icon, you can upload any image you have on your phone. So let me upload one image on my phone right now, from my phone right now. Now, for example, let's upload this image. This image you are seeing right here, I'm trying to upload the image. Let's give it some minutes. This is the image. This is the image. As you can see, this is the image I'm using. Now, after uploading this image, the next thing I'm going to do is to click here like this. I'm going to bring it to video. Now, when I bring it to video, as you can see, bring it to video, you can see different type of AI model they have. You can see ChatGPT, you can see Cadence, all these things you can see them. Now we are using Grok Imagine 1.5. As you can see, Grok Imagine 1.5. It is still free. As you can see, it is still free. If you are using all these ones that have all this logo, like all this crown, this one are paid one. They are paid one. But just go to Grok Imagine. As you can see, Grok Imagine, it is still free. When you tap on it, it is still free. Now we have put it on Grok Imagine. The next thing we are going to do is to put our prompt here. Now let's write our prompt, and after I put my prompt, I will click on generate. So you just need to write your dialogue and everything. You can also change the aspect ratio, all things here. As you can see, aspect ratio. This is where you can change aspect ratio. If you want to increase the second, as you can see, you can increase it up to 15 seconds. You just click on this plus icon and it's going to increase up to 15 seconds. As you can see, up to 15 seconds. Your resolution, you can increase it. And after that, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on generate. So I don't want to put my own in 15 seconds. I want it to be in 10 seconds. And after you said that, you click on generate and it's to start generating the video. Sorry, I forgot to click on to put the prompt. I forget to put the prompt. So it's analyzing it and it's going to start generating the video for me. I forget to prove the prompt. Sorry for that. So let's wait for it, and after it generates the video, you guys are going to see the result. So let's wait for it. So I put the prompt, and this is what I put. I say camera zoom in on the king as it begin to speak based on the provided image. So an African man. So this prompt was also generated by the AI. I did not add anything, and the AI understand what I want and it start generating the video without me putting any prompt. So as you can see, this is what he is saying. So let's wait for it, and it's going to generate the video for us. I just upload the image and the AI agent is going to work on it and generate the full video. You can also use this AI to create long video using the same method I'm showing you right now. So let's wait for the result. Now it has successfully generated the video. This is the result here. All I just need to do is just click on detail, and you guys are going to see the video. This is the result. So let me play it so that you guys are going to see it.
My people, hear me. We must stand united against the trials ahead. Our strength lies in our unity and our traditions.
Now, that is the video you guys just watched right now. So, to get access to this AI tool, all you need to do, just go to your browser where you are browsing on your phone. and you go and search for the name of the AI tool. It is called Oi AI. This is how you are going to see it. Let me show you how you are going to see it on your browser. Let me show you. Let me take it back to Google so that you are going to see it. Let's go to Google. Just go to where you are browsing on your phone. You can enter Google. You can search for it on Google. Just go to Google. You can search for it on Google. Just search for Oi. It is called Oi AI. Oi AI. Just search for it. You are going to see it. Now, this one you are seeing here, this second one that say Oi AI. As you can see, say AI animation agent for team for you. So this is the one you are supposed to click. This first one is the AI tool. This second one, sorry. This second one is the AI tool. This one with red logo, as you can see, Oi. That is the one I just used right now. If you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.